All right, to take the Wi-Fi card out, first we're going to take off the battery and then the back of the computer off. So you see this tape right here by the Wi-Fi card. First we're going to remove that. And then we're going to take a screwdriver and take off the white and black wires. They just pop off. Then we screw on the Wi-Fi card. And then slide that out to the right. Then you take the new Wi-Fi card, put it back in, sliding to the left, put the screw back, screw it in. Now there's two triangles. There is a white triangle opposite from where the white wire goes, and there's a black triangle opposite of where the black wire goes. You just snap those on top. Sometimes they're a little hard to snap on there. And then you put the back of the computer back on, put the battery back in, and you're done.